Good news is we do finally dry things out, and I'm hoping to get a dry stretch going starting Friday and hopefully carrying over toward early next week and maybe even into the middle of next week.
Ready for Thanksgiving. All right, Tom, thank you. Home Depot is going strong even with the slowdown in housing. Plus, Procter & Gamble have new app just for your hair. Jane King has these stories and so much more. It's today's Business Report.
Home Depot still benefiting from a rising housing market, but there's worry that interest rates will slow down home buying and hurt Home Depot's profits. Home Depot may have an opportunity to gain market share in the appliance category, though, after Sears filed for bankruptcy protection. Well, Walmart will start giving military spouses a hiring preference. There are more than 500,000 active duty military spouses nationwide, according to a company statement. While the U.S. unemployment rate's about 4%, the same rate among military spouses is 26%. Now, the new military Spouse Career Connection builds on the plans to hire 250,000 military veterans by 2020. Diageo, the liquor company, selling 19 brands. Some of the brands that Diageo will shed are Goldschlager Schnapps, Seagram's VO Blended Whiskey, and Yukon Jack Whiskey Liqueur. Diageo says it wants to focus on high-end brands. And Procter & Gamble has developed a smartphone app that enables people to determine the products best suited to their hair. It also enables people with similar hair types to connect via social media. Consumers are even asked to punch in a zip code and learn how humidity, ultraviolet rays, pollution, and wind can impact their hair. From the NASDAQ, I'm Jane King with your business update.
All right, Jane, thanks so much. Let's take a look and see how stocks are performing at this noon hour. Dow Jones Industrial is climbing 65 points to sit right now at 25,451. NASDAQ Composite also up 74 points to sit at 7274. Could cutting back on social media make you happier? Cutting back on Facebook or Snapchat could have a positive impact on your mood. That's according to a new study. Researchers at the University of Pennsylvania found limiting time on social media led to a reduction in feelings of loneliness and depression. The study finds students who limited their daily use of Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat to 10 minutes each per day experienced significant declines in depressive symptoms. Well, Petco will no longer sell cat and dog food filled with artificial ingredients. The pet store chain is reporting by next May, its cat and dog treats and foods will be free of artificial flavors, preservatives, and colors. According to Petco, products with those ingredients add up to roughly $100 million in sales, but believes the healthier foods and snacks that replace them will minimize any financial loss. Teens who lost a family or friend member to murder may be at an increased risk for suicide. It's according to a new study from the University of Pittsburgh. It shows teens whose loved ones were victims of homicide were twice as likely to consider suicide as those who did not suffer a loss. Experts say these findings show the ripple effects of traumatic loss. And a new survey shows most primary care physicians will provide care for transgender patients. 86% say that they would provide routine care, and 79% were willing to give Pap tests to transgender men. However, older doctors were less inclined to treat transgender patients. Chris?
Dia, a champion has been crowned for the longest locks. The hair-raising facts coming up in today's News of the Weird next.